Cylinder heads fail, and when they do, you're left with the decision whether you should purchase a new or remanufactured cylinder head. And if you're running a natural gas engine, you might feel like you're making this decision more often than you'd like, and paying for the repair more often than you want. Recently, parts for natural gas engines have become harder to find, especially high-quality new cylinder heads. So you might feel like you don't really have any options. Today, I'm taking you through whether you should buy a new or remanufactured cylinder head for your ISL ISG natural gas engine, and what your options for replacing the failed cylinder head are. If you're looking to replace a cylinder head on your natural gas engine, you're probably wondering why you should buy a new if you can save money purchasing a reman head. This is a big question, particularly with heads in the natural gas engines, which seem to fail more frequently due to the timing, lean burn, compression ratios, and cylinder pressures. The cylinder head is under a lot of stress, especially when you take into account the extreme operating conditions of these applications. This is when you'll see cracking, the most common cause of failure in these heads. The cracking is frequently caused by the environments these engines operate in. Often you'll see them run in conditions with multiple accelerations and higher duty cycles, like you have with a garbage truck that stops repeatedly. So you're getting more pressure, more heat based on the duty cycle, which can lead to problems with cracking. As we've talked about before, you tend to see more cracks in cylinder heads in natural gas engines than diesel engines. What people want to do is to then have the cracks repaired rather than just replacing the cylinder head. But because you're seeing so many cracks, there will be so much more labor in the front end, which drives up the price of the repair. Suddenly, the cost of the reman head is almost the same as buying a new head, and the repaired cracks will never be as strong as a new head. With a reman head, there's a high probability that the welded or repaired areas will fail. This is something that you just won't see on a new head. So you'd be spending nearly the same amount and needing to replace the head again much sooner than if you installed a new one right away. Recently, there's been a shortage of components for these engines, and it's been difficult for people to find the parts that they need. You might be nervous to buy a head from a non-OEM supplier. In case the part fails, you're out even more time and money. But when you buy from Highway and Heavy Parts, though you don't have to settle for inferior parts for your natural gas engine, we have an option of a brand new that's never been welded cylinder head. And we source our parts from the highest quality suppliers. Our cylinder heads come from leading manufacturers in the industry with more than 70 years experience manufacturing cylinder heads. We're committed to bringing you the most reliable heads on the market. Our components go through a rigorous testing and quality control to ensure that they meet the same standards as the OEM components. We won't sell you a part from an inferior supplier that doesn't meet the industry's highest quality standards. Our team of experts can help you diagnose your problem and help you get the right parts the first time. Our technicians ask questions to better understand the issues and make sure that you get what you need. And we stand behind our parts with an industry-leading warranties. Our heads are made of cast iron, meaning you'll be getting long-lasting strength and durability. They've been precision machined to exact tolerances for proper fit and function. They're thoroughly inspected, cleaned, and pressure and vacuum tested. You don't have to sacrifice quality to get the best price possible. We have it all here at Highway and Heavy Parts. High-quality replacement parts backed by an industry-leading warranty. Our mission is to take the risk out of buying diesel engine parts for our customers. So if you're looking for affordable OEM quality diesel engine parts with expert advice on the other end of the line, we're here to help. If you have any questions about cylinder heads for your ISL or ISLG natural gas engine, you can call me or any of the other ASE certified parts technicians at 844-447-1453, or you can chat with us online at highwayandheavyparts.com. Be sure to like this video and hit the subscribe button on Facebook and YouTube to stay up to date on all the news and information from Highway and Heavy Parts. From diagnosis through delivery, we're Highway and Heavy Parts.